Hi there, Daniel Kron again from NY Traffic Firm. This segment will be discussing commercial driver's license matters. A commercial driver's license is issued to somebody who drives for commercial purposes or in order to make money. It's important to remember that commercial driver's license holders are held to a much higher standard as opposed to regular Class D license holders. Commercial driver's license holders are subject to a driving while intoxicated charge if their blood alcohol content is a 0.04, whereas all the rest of us who have a Class D non-commercial license are held accountable for a DWI at a 0.08. In addition, commercial driver's license holders are subject to suspension of their license even where the only convictions which appear on their record are 0-point offenses. For instance, driving without a seatbelt in the state of New York, where there are no children in the vehicle, is a 0-point offense. However, if a commercial driver were to accumulate multiple violations of operating without a seatbelt, his or her commercial privilege may be suspended or revoked. This is Daniel Kron from NY Traffic Firm reminding you, drive safe.